Alright, here we again on the 2000 Jeep TJ. Started issues. Started yesterday. Had to get the parts for a new crankshaft sensor. I went through and checked all the circuit breakers and all that good stuff. It was none of that. Did some wire chasing. Found out the crankshaft sensor wires were completely torn off, broken. Zero connections. There you go. That's my issue. All installed right down in there. Kind of a pain in the butt routing it, but this should definitely help if you guys have any problems with your Jeep just cranking and not starting. And then we go over here, back down underneath here for the install. That's where it's at, right up in here, in the back of the flywheel here. Kind of pain in the butt, but you use your little 1/4" drive, 11-meter socket, and not too bad. We're gonna go ahead and hopefully this fixes the issues of it starting. Here's my tool of choice right here, old Husky. Sorry about the blurriness, moving around too much. Now we're gonna go inside here. Go ahead and give this a whirl. Hopefully this works. Good to go. Gauge look good. Yeah, she's got some miles on her, but ooh, fired right up. That's all I needed. Good to go. The Jeep's been great to me. Cooling, oil pressure's good. Look at them miles. That's why you never get rid of these Jeeps. They're great. A little bit of maintenance, you keep them going. Alright, well I hope this video helps. For those of you having problems with starting issues with the 2000 series Jeeps, inline 6. Alright, take care.